Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency in 2025, you might need to move your Litecoin from one platform to another. Today, we're tackling a straightforward tutorial: how to send Litecoin from Exmo to your Phantom wallet. This process is simple, but always double-check everything to keep your assets secure. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both an Exmo account and a Phantom wallet set up. You'll need some Litecoin in your Exmo balance and the exact wallet address from Phantom. If you haven't already, download the latest Phantom wallet app or extension. It's user-friendly and supports Litecoin seamlessly in 2025. Step 1. Log into your Exmo account. Head over to the dashboard and navigate to the Withdraw or Send section. This is usually found in the wallet area. Once there, select Litecoin from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Exmo might have updated its interface by 2025, so look for any new features like enhanced security prompts. Next, enter the withdrawal details. You'll need to paste your Phantom wallet address. Double-check this address. It's a long string of letters and numbers, and one wrong character could send your Litecoin into the void. Also, specify the amount you want to send, but remember to leave enough for any network fees, which in 2025 might be lower due to improved blockchain tech. Before confirming, Exmo will likely show you a summary of the transaction, including estimated fees and arrival time. Review everything carefully, then hit confirm. You'll probably need to complete a two-factor authentication step for added security. Don't skip this. Now, switch over to your Phantom wallet. It might take a few minutes for the transaction to appear, depending on network congestion. Once it shows up, you can verify the deposit. Congrats! You've successfully transferred your Litecoin. A quick tip: always use the official apps and keep your software updated to avoid scams. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to practice. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.